It's loud. That it? Woo! That was a real party starter. Yeah. Here we go. Do it. Oh, there it is. Woo! Oh, is this the... Oh, no, it's not. I thought this was the Wrath of the Beast. Smoking a lot. Yeah, it's pretty, but there's too much smoke. I can't catch it. Oh, here it is. Oh! Woo! Hey guys, that was part 2. I might stretch this one because I don't want to look like a jerk doing 3 parts of small fireworks. That was not the best one. We have like a huge box of fireworks. We're not letting them all off. We're letting a couple of them off, and 4th of July we're gonna do them. Well, not that way, but we're gonna let them off. So yeah, I'm trying to stretch this video. My phone's about to die, so I really forgot. I'm recording upward. But anyway, yeah. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, I might cut. Actually, I'm gonna cut this one off, charge it for a little bit for the next set. I'm gonna make this part 2 because I can stretch this, and I'm gonna record the next one sideways so it's full screen. This is half screen, so it's not that good. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Wolf Raiders, goodbye.